Hi friends, your captain B Benoflin Sam is here. So today I'm going to teach dimensional analysis for class 11th JEE Physics. In here, I'm going to teach theory, examples and theory. Questions. I told theory 2 times but I only 1 time only. So here, the previous time I thought significant figures. For today, I'm going to teach dimensional analysis. Okay, so we will get started for this. Okay, leave it. Okay, so here one note I will take. One note. For reference, I'm going to write here only. For this, see, if the units like sine something, log something, like this one, e something, cos something, tan something, like that, and yeah, if these are like this means, then it is dimensionless. Okay, then this is a dimensionless. Okay, for this one. Okay, wait, I'll draw one line. Okay, this you have to understand. Okay, if it's given like something like this means, then it will be dimensionless, even though it's pi or 1 like that something means, then it will be this only, theta like that, this one. Okay, so first we will go one simple method, one example. I would directly example what is dimensional analysis. Okay, for example, okay, time period of oscillation, okay, of pendulum depends on length and gravity. Okay, so find the relationship. So first I'll draw the diagram. Okay, right. How it goes, I know this only. Okay, like this, and its length is, and its gravity this one. So you have to find this one, time, its relationship of time period. So time period means, then we can write, I'll tell examples. Okay, well, it has only length and gravity. To find this, you have to take time only. Okay, time. So you take as t is equal to, you have to write constant. Okay, I'll tell y. Constant into Lx into Gy. Okay, for this, you know the dimension, right? For this, you can take as t is equal to constant, bracket we can take as L power x into Lt to power minus 2 y. Like this, right? So they have told like this only. So t is equal to, I think you can write this. We will leave this one. Okay, we will take here 0 only, because we will leave this one and we will continue this. Okay, so they told t, so t is this dimension, so this will be L x plus y, I'm combining into t minus 2y. Okay, so here you write as m0 l0 t1, here m0 l x plus y and t minus 2y. Okay, how to solve means m0 we can cancel. Okay, you have to compare the powers like this. Okay, you know the value. So we take as x plus y is equal to 0. Right, 0 means, but it will not come. So not do this one. We'll do this one. Minus 2y by equal to 1. If you minus 2 divide minus 2 both sides means you get y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here we get it as x plus y is equal to 0. We make x is equal to 1 by 2. We can take directly, right? Y means x is equal to minus y. So x is equal to minus into minus 1 by 2. That's why I put like this one. Okay. So it's that means then t is equal to constant. We will add no constant, and this one we can take as x. X means then L. This will do this one. Its value going here it is. Okay. Its value what? X 1 by 2. So L 1 by 2 into G minus 1 by 2 means T is equal to constant into L by G. Why? It's minus 1 and its root is there. But you have to find constant. The constant is its pendulum is going like this. So it's 2 pi. So its covariance is 2 pi. So 2 pi means then T is equal to 2 pi into L by root L by G. That's the correct answer for this one. This is how it is used for dimensional analysis. Okay, like this one. They use steps like this actually. I have given JEE main questions like this. Okay, so let's see. Which question I am giving? This question. And it's also not. It's angle, right? So question is, if force, velocity, time are considered a fundamental physical quantity, okay, the dimensional form of what's you have to find density. Oh my god, will be dash. So they asked to find density using force, velocity and time. So we will do it now. So the first rule you're going to do is, so density means there is no like constant, right? No constant. So we will take as density is equal to force x into velocity y into time z. It's like this one is a power like that I'm doing. So density will write as ml to power minus 3 and 3 t0. So here you take as mlt to power minus 2 whole x into lt to power minus 1 into y into t is z. Okay, they asked to find this. We'll compare this using this one. So ml 2 power minus 3 t 2 power 0 is equal to, if into means we get as mx only, and L x plus y and t is minus 2x plus z. Okay, very simple only. You can solve this, like you see compare m means then x is equal to 1, right? Cl minus 3, so x plus y is equal to minus 3. So here you take as y is equal to minus 3 minus 1 is equal to y is equal to minus 4. So here y is equal to minus 4. You can see it's off of it. So for z, we can write this one. So minus 2x plus z is equal to is 0. So x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1. So minus 2 plus z is equal to 0. I'm adding two sides. We'll get z is equal to 2. So we have took the values and we're going to see the dimensional formula. So we'll do it up. So density is equal to force value, what? F. Okay. F. V is V 2 power minus 4 and T 2 power minus 2. So that's the correct answer for this question. So understand, no, it's like questions like this. And this question is from JEE 2023. We have solved it. This question we have solved. So in this question they will give like this, okay? So another one, that this is for your homework only. I'm going to go over this one. Okay. So homework. Momentum. It's P. Area denoted as A and T bracket time bracket T are taken to be the fundamental quantities. Then the dimension of a formula for energy is what they asked. This is from JEE Mains 2022. This question, okay? So we have to comment it. So comment it like this, okay? This question, like they asked the dimension of our energy in terms of momentum, area and time. So I think I remember this question, right? I think one trick, I thought one trick, I think so. So if you saw this, then you can see the shots itself, what trick I did for physics techniques like that. So I think that's all for this video. So make sure you like, subscribe and share. Okay. So thank you. Have a great day.